My name is Matt, and I am the founder of WorkerFeed.com. I would like to show you how to create a worker page. So this is the new member form. Let me just put in the information for Marielle. 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 What do I? And she is in the Philippines. This is her Discord. This is her WhatsApp. We submit that. So now that we've registered that, we go to member login up here. Okay, now we've logged in. So now we go to My Workers. Add new. We'll create a new worker called Marielle. And the excerpt, we'll paste in the bio. And then set the featured image for it. Let me just grab the image from WhatsApp. Give me a second. We have to set the featured image. And then publish. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste the entire resume. Actually, you know what? I'm going to update this and go to Edit with Elementor. So on this notifications thing, you can press the X or the skip. So you press the plus button right there. And let's start out with a 2-column layout. Let's start out with an image. Choose image. We're going to make it a medium image. And we're going to style it with a nice little frame. And now we're going to go to Add Element, Text Editor. And then I'm going to grab some of her info. So let me just format this real quick. Email. And I can drag this out right here to make it a little bit easier to edit. For the email, you can just press edit, add link, and then it'll automatically make a clickable link. For the Discord username, I'm going to want to press Control B. You can also press this bold thing right here. And for the WhatsApp number, we're going to want to type in message me on WhatsApp. And then to get the workerfeed.com/guide, this guide is still in progress, but basically to get the quick add on WhatsApp number, we will go to here. We will insert a link, apply, copy the number, edit the link, paste that in, remove the spaces, and remove the plus. So now country Philippines, hourly rate $4 to $8 per hour. Depending on project. Data entry is cheaper than cold calling. And then we're going to style this container. Give it a nice gradient. The first thing we're going to do is press this color right here. Set it to a nice light blue. And then press this color right here. Set it to another blue. And then make it very low opacity. And now we're going to add a we're going to add a new one for expertise according to her resume. We're going to make this a heading 2. Heading 2. and then shift that, and then go into toolbar toggle, then click bulleted lists. I don't know why this is not bulleting all of them, but let's just leave that. And then skills. Text editor. Heading 2. And then I'm going to make a new one. I'm going to drag this heading here. Experience. Make it a centered one. Text editor. And then let's see if it copies all cleanly. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. And that looks good. Now let's add her actual resume to it. Actually, I don't actually have the PDF file in here. So never mind. Oh, and one very important thing that we gotta do is we want a heading mention worker feed for a discount. And then we want to make this one just red. And center that. And then let's add a quote. Custom caption. I do everything for my 2 children. Because she does have 2 kids and she does do everything for them. And now that we have the title in there, we have the excerpt in there, which is what will show up on Google search results and our own internal search engine. Cold caller and assistants. Publish that. And now we have and now we have this, and we have a basic worker page going. So yeah.